to vote in the election, as opposed to another way of arriving at the same result, simply counting the number of voters that were recorded to have voted and cast their vote in the election. It is an equation that must agree in a mass submission. If the total number of voters that take part in the election do not agree with the votes that are counted as cast in accordance with Article 138(4), if they don't agree, then it means that the results of that election are not accurate, they're not transparent, and they're not accountable. And therefore, I'm inviting your ladyship and your lordship to go through this affidavit of Mr. Edgar Uko Otumba, because he lays out